Good morning, guys. It's morning here and I just received this package. I just got it home and I decided to make a video, quick one, to check what's inside. This package is coming from England. As you guys all know, I was picking the Brummie Evil Corbin, and to show my appreciation for Brummie's sending his luck for more than 3 years to travel around the world for pickers to pick it, I decided to send him a luck pick because this community is awesome and because Brummie is a very kind and decent guy. He decided to return the favor and send me a gift. If you guys know, Brummie is one of the best lock pickers that deal with lever locks. Since I'm ignorant on the topic, I was talking to him. I tell him I never picked lever lock in my life. And I feel bad that I don't know how to pick it because I don't have the tools to pick it. So he made a video. He sent me, I'm gonna link the video in the description for you guys to see what he made me and what's his comment on what he made. Till now, he's sending me papers only. I think everything was wrapped and they opened this in the customs to check what's inside. So let's get rid of all the wrapping and see what's inside. So we're gonna start with the stickers. Brummie lock picker. The stickers, his stickers, he sent me 4. This is very nice because I have a lot of stickers from you guys, a lot of stickers from the community, and it's very nice to have a lot of stickers from different people to always remind you of how awesome this lock sport is. Okay, so he sent me KixPicks. Have fun picking lever locks. Some stickers inside Brummie. So here's the stickers. I'm sure it was in a better situation than this, but the shipping and everything, sometimes it do a little damage, but it's not bad. This is stickers. As soon as I put it, it's gonna be straight again. So let's see what Brummie sent me. As I told you, I told him I have no idea how lever locks works. So he sent me, he's from England and lever locks are extremely famous in England. And this lock is made in England. I'm not sure you guys can see or not. Made in England. And I'm gonna link his video, him speaking about everything. For me, this is something awesome. The lock looks old. It have the levers inside. Let me try to share some light. I'm not sure the camera can capture because now it's morning. The lights isn't the best. So let's see what's there. So the lock, the key works perfect. It's locked and we do like this and you open it, it opens. Looks vintage, I'm not sure, but looks very nice. And Brummie made an excellent job to make this himself. A tensioning tool. This is made out of brass, made out of brass key. As you guys can see, he made a groove here and he cut the key in a perfect way for it to act as a tensioning tool. And this pick, of course I couldn't do this myself because I have no clue what's the dimensions and how it's used. So all this is new for me and I'm really gonna enjoy this. So I think I've seen in his video, this pick goes inside the groove and you can pick it like this. It goes like this and you can pick the lock. I need to check some of Brummie's videos to understand how I can pick lever locks, but from what I think it should work this way. Here you can tension the lock. First you need to put the pick inside under the levers, and when it's under the levers you can start tensioning and start lifting the levers up and start to pick them. I think like this, and try to get it under the levers, and you start lifting up all the levers. Then you use the tension tool that he made to tension the lock and start picking it. I need to be checking more videos on the topic because I told you this is my first time to see a lever lock. Not to see it, to own one and to have the tools to pick it. So I'm not sure what I'm doing right now is correct or not, but I think I got the idea. I'll be watching more of his videos. If you're interested in lever locks, I highly recommend Brummie Lock Picker channel. And he does an excellent job explaining how they work and how to pick them. So thank you very much, Brummie, for this wonderful gift and for giving me the chance to understand more about lever locks and to start picking them. It's a great gift. I really appreciate it, especially it's coming for Christmas. And Merry Christmas everyone, and have a new year. Wish you all the best and see you guys around.